Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom filter in Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat and go to your camera. Scroll this filter all the way to the right. And when you get to the very last, you will see this Explore Lenses. Click this. Here you can see lots of Snapchat filters. And you have all the freedom to choose one, like recent, face, world, music, and lastly creators. So to make your Snapchat filter, choose any filter here that you want to try. For example, this one. Now take a snap. And when you want another Snapchat filter, click this search icon and add another Snapchat filter. For example, this one. If you want to change it, just click it again and choose any other filters. Just like that. And that's it. That's how you easily make custom filter in Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.